Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic linear equations in one variable belongings to 8th class, and I took the problem in exercise 2.3. The problem was solve the following equations and check your results. Here given one problem is there and I took another problem also. I explained it later. First of all, we go to this problem. The problem was 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. This is the following given equation. We have to find the results and check the results with the appropriate x value. Okay, next move into the step by step answer. Here first of all, we have to write the question here. 2x plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So here we have to simplify it. First of all, take LCM is here 2x plus 3 equal to here 7x by 15 plus 3 into 15. Now 2x plus 3 into 15 equal to 7x plus 3 into 15 into 3, because of we are cross multiplying like this. Here one step I skipped. I am writing here 2x plus 3. Here we are getting cross multiplication. So here this 15 comes to here and is equal to is like this 7x plus 3 into 15 into this denominator. That's why I now simplify this. So 2x into 15 plus 3 into 15. This is also 7x into 3 plus 15 3s are 45 into 3. So 2x into 15 3s are 45 equal to 7x into 3 equal plus 45 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13 1 35. So here 2 into 15 30x plus 45. Here 7 into 3 7 3s are 21x plus 135. Now by taking the variables at one side and by taking the constant values in other side, this is the LHS and this is the RHS, right hand side and left hand side. I am moving 30x, 21x is here. This is in plus value. Here it comes negative value, that equal to 135 minus, because of it is in plus, it goes to out the LHS to RHS, then it becomes negative value. So that is 45. Next here 30 minus 21 is 9x equal to 135 minus 45. Here 0, 13 minus 4, that is 9, 90. So x equal to 90. Here multiplying by x by 9, so it jumps to RHS side, it will be divide. So here by 9, so x equal to 9 ones are 9 tens are, so x equal to 10. This is the value of x. Now we have to check the results in the given problem. So we know x equal to 10 value. We have to put it into this given equation. Then the LHS is must be equal to the RHS. Then the right answer is x equal to 10 value. So now we have to check the whether it was x equal to 10 is applies to this equation. Now I am checking. We get the answer x equal to 10. Now we are checking here 2x plus by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3 is the given equation. Now we have to check. We have to do the next step is substitute x equal to 10 in the given equation. So here we are substituting. So 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. Here now we are substituting this x equal to 10 value in this. Now we get the simplification. 2 into 10 20 by 3, so plus 1 equal to 7 into 10 70 by 15 plus 3, like this. Now getting simplifying 20 plus 3 by 3 because of 3 into 1 here. Similarly like this, 70 plus 3 into 15 by 15. Now 23 by 3, 70 plus 45 by 15. Here 3 into 15, 45. Now 23 by 3 equal to 70 plus 45, we get 115. So 115 by 15. So we are simplifying this. 5 3s are and 5 2s are 10 here. 1 5 5 3s are. If anyone have doubt, 115 with the 15. Sorry, 5. So 5 2s are 10. 1 5 5 3s are 15. So that is the answer 23. That's why I wrote it like this. Now the 23 by 23 equal to 23 by 3. So it is LHS. Left hand side answer is must be equal to the right hand side for the given linear equation in one variable. So we have proved that as required the answer is. So the answer value x equal to 10 is the correct answer for this question. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box and like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.